Every guy wants to look better, so they do the basics. They get a haircut, hit the gym, drink some water, and then wonder why their face still looks exactly the same. Look at any top male model's old photos. Most of them looked completely average. The difference isn't always genetics. It's a specific set of habits that literally shift how your face is structured and perceived. Today, I'm giving you the 30-day protocol. This isn't generic advice. These are real, actionable steps that will change your skin, reveal your jawline, and completely upgrade your baseline attractiveness in 1 month. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. The jawline. De-bloat and depuff. The biggest secret to an attractive face? Most guys aren't actually carrying that much face fat. They are just insanely bloated. Your jawline and cheekbones are buried under a layer of retained water and lymphatic fluid. We are fixing that right now. First, stop sleeping face down into your pillow. When you do this, fluid pools in your face for 8 hours. Sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated. Second, tomorrow morning, you are going to take 2 ice cubes, wrap them in a thin cloth, and massage your face in circles for 2 minutes. Cheeks, jawline, under eyes. The cold instantly constricts your blood vessels and drains that excess fluid. The puffiness disappears, your jaw looks sharper, and your eyes look awake. It takes 2 minutes and costs $0. Finally, you need to starve the bloat. Sodium and sugar force your body to hold onto water. Cut out the chips, the fast food, and the sodas for just 30 days. Pair this with drinking 3 liters of water daily. When your body is hydrated, it stops hoarding water. Within just 2 weeks, your face is going to look noticeably leaner and more chiseled without you having to lose 20 pounds. Step 2. Rebuild your skin from scratch. Having a basic 3-step skincare routine, cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen, is mandatory. But if you want to completely transform your skin, you need the heavy artillery, retinol. Your skin probably looks dull, your pores look huge, and old acne marks won't go away because your dead skin cells are piling up. Retinol fixes this at the root. Applied at night, it aggressively speeds up your skin cell turnover, pushing the dead cells out and forcing fresh, firm skin to the surface. Start with a low concentration, like 0.25%, 2 nights a week. Your skin might flake a little at first. That means it's working. Push through it. Within 30 days, your face will have that clean, almost blurred out look that nothing else can replicate. And to lock that healthy look in, go outside for 10 to 15 minutes every morning right after sunrise. No sunscreen for this small window. Morning UV exposure triggers vitamin D synthesis directly in your skin. Guys with low vitamin D look tired, gray, and low energy. Sun on your face fixes your skin, your mood, and your testosterone all at once. Step 3. Master facial contrast. This is a looksmaxxing concept that 99% of guys are completely blind to. Facial contrast is the color difference between your features, eyes, brows, lips, and your skin. Attractiveness studies prove that high facial contrast makes a face look drastically more masculine and defined, even if your bone structure is average. Here is how you fake it. First, get a small face razor and clean up your eyebrows. Dark, clean eyebrows instantly frame your face. Second, your facial hair. Rocking a well-maintained sharp stubble creates a literal shadow on your jaw, making it look twice as strong as it actually is. Third, your mouth. Dry, crusty lips ruin your contrast and make you look unhealthy. Carry a lip balm. Also, get an electric toothbrush and some whitening strips. A bright white smile against your skin is the ultimate contrast hack. And get a good haircut. Hair is literally makeup for men. If you have a round face, get it tight on the sides with volume on top. It changes your entire head shape. Step 4. The structural illusion. You can have the best skin and grooming in the world, but if your posture is trash, you look terrible. When you slouch and look down at your phone all day, your jawline literally folds into your neck. Keep your shoulders back and your chin parallel to the floor. It stretches the skin under your chin and makes your jaw pop. Combine this with mewing, resting your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. Over time, this lifts the soft tissue under your chin. Finally, practice looking in the mirror. Relax your face, hold a confident resting expression, and learn how to smile naturally. That's the blueprint. Ice in the morning, retinol at night, fix your facial contrast, cut the sodium, and fix your posture. None of this requires a ton of money or freak genetics. It just requires you to stop being lazy. The guys who actually apply this will look like a totally upgraded version of themselves in 30 days. If this helped, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.